Welcome to Avyatech, redefining property listings through intelligent AI design.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about how we can use V0 to create a interactive, very good property listing application or website. So I'm going to show you what we are going to build. So this is a property listing, you can say, application where I have the landing page, which has the feature to search and the top city listed over here, and feature properties are there. Now we will have the search page, which is as per the cities. So this is going to be the search page, and it will have the marker on Google Maps. On clicking the view detail, we will have the property detail page, which will have the image, the big image and the gallery part, with option to have all the images listed over in the pop-up and to show the image in detail. And after that, we will have the description of the property, the agent who has listed the property, the location which will be on the map, and the similar homes for sale section. So this whole application is built in V0, and let me show you the prompt, how we can instruct the V0 to create such an application. So let me show you the prompt. So here is the prompt. So what tool we are going to use is V0 to create the interactive design in the front end page, and editor, the cursor editor, to do the next part. Like after creating the application on V0, we are going to do some modification and of course do our stuffs using cursor. Then here is the prompt which I have written for V0, so to create the application. To achieve this, what we need to follow, we need to give the clear instruction how what needs to be done, and proper, you can say, role, what I am and what I am going to achieve from V0. So if you see the prompt, here is the prompt. I have 3 pages over here: the landing page, property landing page. So I have given what pages need to be done. The property landing page, I have instructed what section need to be developed out there, like the search by location section, top cities list, and the carousel for feature product. Then we will have the search page, search result page, which will show you the breadcrumb, the filters, and the left section will have the list of the property, and the right section will have the map, and which will show the marker of the property. Then property detail page will have all the information about the property, like all the images, the gallery part, the description, agent who has listed the property, and the map section, and the similar properties. And what will be the requirement? The requirement will be to use the TypeScript. The application need to follow the SSR. UI must be identical to reference website. If you have any reference website, we can give that, so that the V0 will follow that. And we need to ensure the responsive design. The Tailwind CSS need to be used. It need to be a modular and reusable components. Routing must be there, and color, font, etc. need to be followed. Right, now let's go to the V0 and I will show you how it works. So after giving the prompt, after giving all the prompt, you can see, let me show over here, you can see the application is done like this. I have already written the prompt, and after doing some revisions, like you can see setting up the route and navigations, and this V0 has taken my prompt, and on basis of that it has created the application. The design matching, if there is any issues which I have mentioned, like the design is not matching the property listing, I am going to show you the code as well. So if you see the code, you can see it is well organized, and I have the component need to be used. I have the detail page as a separate route, the search, and the landing page. You can see the component, header component, footer component, and the property gallery component, browsers. All these component can be reused and can be used if needed for multiple places. So we have the individual you can say components. Now the code written is so well organized, and I am going to show you the cursor part as well, because I have taken all the code over there. Let me show over here. What I have done is I have synced my code to the GitHub account, and then here, and you can see here, and then I have taken the pull on the on my cursor. Here I have all the listing page design, all the code over here, and I have done the other stuffs like changing anything which I need to follow. I have implemented the API as well from the cursor. So the application is ready and it can be used it is ready to use, you can say, and there is not much to do. The UI part is great, and the APIs has been integrated very well using the cursor and the V0. We have created a very you can say ready to go property listing application or website.
Avyatech, your partner in digital real estate transformation.